Hello? What do you want? You know you can't be here, right? So? It's private property. I don't care. Well, get all your stuff out and move, because this is my property. Okay, I will. Wait, you have... How do you have that in... Wait a second, what? I don't even know what to say. How do you have all that in that box? I don't know, I just do. What do you mean? If you can afford all that, why aren't you living in a house? They were, donated. Yeah, they were donated. Okay, well, how do you even power that stuff? I have my ways. Okay, whatever. Get off my property. Okay, I am.